Hawaii is an island located in the Pacific Ocean, which is part of the United States. Native animals live in the Pacific Islands. Hawaiian monk seals are the only known seals to be native to the United States and the island of Hawaii. The monk seals got their name from hooded coats that the monks wore. The skin of a monk seal folds like the hooded coat. The size of a monk seal is 6 feet long, and they weigh around 300 pounds. They live off the beach and rocky shores. Of the northwest region of the Hawaiian Islands. Their skin is gray and brown. Monk seal skin grows new skin and fur one time a year, which is called molting. Their noses have nostrils like people. Monk seals swim faster than people. They can swim at fast speed to travel and to get food. Ni birds is the state bird of Hawaii. They are considered geese of the wild. They got webbed feet adapted to walking on hot volcanic ash, since they live near volcanoes. They are cousins to the Canadian geese. Nini birds got their name from how they communicate. Nini birds' diet consists of red berry called ohelo berries grown from the volcanic lava. Nini birds are a big part of Hawaiian culture. Nini birds swim good in the water. The color of their feathers is gray, brown, and white. They are medium-sized birds at 20 inches tall. Bush-tailed rock wallabies are 49 centimeters in height and weigh around 7 kilograms. They are nighttime nocturnal animals. Their fur is from brown to black mixture. Bushy-tailed rock wallabies originated in Australia, but were brought to Hawaii. The animal group they belong in is the marsupials. Their habitat is in Kauai Valley. Their bushy-tailed rocky wallabies' diet consists of grass, plants, fruit, trees, sticks, and flowers. Their homes are mainly in the rocky areas, and they have dens. Bushy rock wallabies be in groups called troops. Red-crested cardinals are social birds that be in small groups called flocks. The animal group red-crested cardinals belong to is the tanager. Their red-crested cardinals look similar to the other species of cardinals, but they are not cousins. The habitat they like to be in is big wide open spaces with lots of bushes and trees. They have musical communication. Red-crested cardinals' diet consists of seeds, insect, plants, and fruit. They are named after the quest diamond-shaped red feathers that are below their neck. The color their feathers come in is red, white, and black. Red-crested cardinals are 18 centimeters long. Hawaiian triggerfish are important fish to the coral reefs in the ocean. Hawaiian triggerfish height is 2 feet long. Their habitat is in the tropical waters all over the world. Hawaiian triggerfish can camouflage to change different colors and use vocal sounds to communicate. They come in colorful colors like the rainbow.